Hello everyone, today we're going to make a useful do-it-yourself project out of an old phone. First, you need to take the phone apart. You need to remove the little motor that creates vibration when the phone rings, and solder two wires to its contacts. Run the wires inside the case to the spot where the battery goes, and then put everything back together. Solder the LED to the wires. This is how it should look. Now let's check if everything works. I'm covering the screen to hide the number. Now if you call this phone, the LED should blink. As you can see, everything works. Let's keep going. Next, we'll need a fiber board or a plank. We attach the phone using double-sided tape. We'll also need a photoresistor, which should be placed in some kind of cap and then glued to the board. Place the LED inside the cap. We also glue on a 18650 type battery. Then we take a BC547 transistor and secure it in the terminal block. Similarly, we attach a 330 ohm resistor and then glue the terminal block. Next, we need a geared motor and a bottle cap from which we need to cut off a part. Attach the cap to the motor shaft. Let's glue a small piece of wood to the motor, and then all of this needs to be glued to the board. We also need a limit switch, which we glue on as shown in the video. The final part to glue is the external socket. This is how it should look. Now connect everything as shown on the screen. This is how the installation turned out. As a result, our homemade project is finished. Let's start testing it. We supply power to the outlet. We plug in some kind of device. I took a light bulb. Now you need to call this phone. As soon as you hear one ring, hang up immediately. As you can see, the outlet turned on. If you call again, it will turn off. This way you can remotely control the outlet using a mobile phone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye everyone.